Before we dive in, a shocking courtroom arrest, 4 felony charges, and a Hollywood couple's fight now playing out under the brightest lights. If you think you know this story, wait until you hear the timeline and what both sides are saying. It changes everything. Denise Richards and her estranged husband, Aaron Phypers, are at the center of a fast-moving legal storm. Phypers, 53, was arrested at a Los Angeles courthouse during a hearing tied to Richards' restraining order. Soon after, prosecutors filed 4 felony counts, 2 for injuring a spouse and 2 for allegedly dissuading a witness by force or threat. The charges are serious. If convicted, they could mean several years behind bars. Phypers has posted bond and denies all accusations, insisting the claims are false and will be disproven in court. What's behind the charges? Prosecutors point to 2 alleged incidents from 2021 in January and another in May. In recent testimony, Richards described violent encounters and said she feared for her safety. Phypers' team fired back, saying the case repeats disputed claims from an ongoing domestic violence proceeding and that the evidence will clear him. This isn't just a headline, it's a real, active case with both sides presenting sharply different accounts. Inside the courthouse, the moment of arrest stunned onlookers. Witnesses described deputies moving in near the end of the day and leading Phypers away as the restraining order hearing continued. Richards, who first obtained a temporary restraining order earlier this year, is now asking a judge to make it permanent. The court has already extended her temporary order, with the next hearing set in early November. Through it all, the actress known for Wild Things, The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, and a long career on screen has kept her focus on the legal process and her family. Phypers, for his part, says he never physically or emotionally abused Richards. He claims her injuries had other explanations and that allegations have been conjured up. His attorney argues the criminal filing mirrors the civil restraining order claims and predicts an acquittal. That's the tension at the heart of this case. 2 narratives, miles apart, heading straight for a courtroom test. It's why this story has gripped fans, because the outcome won't be decided by public opinion but by evidence, testimony, and the law. The potential penalties are no small thing. A single felony count of injuring a spouse can carry 2 to 4 years, and multiple convictions can stack time. That's why the next steps matter. Discovery, motions, and an arraignment date on the calendar. With both sides dug in, each filing, each witness, and each courtroom appearance could shift the ground beneath this story. For viewers at home, the key is to separate verified updates from rumor and to remember that allegations remain allegations until a judge or jury rules. Zoom out, and you see a timeline that tracks a marriage, a split, and now a fight over facts. Richards and Phypers married in 2018. This summer, their breakup spilled into public legal action, including claims about hacked devices, leaked content, and threats. Claims Phypers denies. Add in family testimony that conflicts with his version of events, and the case becomes even more complex. That's why seasoned court watchers are watching this one closely. Credibility, corroboration, and consistency will be everything. For Hollywood buzz watchers, consider this your roadmap. We'll follow the paper trail, charging docs, hearing dates, sworn statements, and we'll keep the tone clear. No verdicts here, just verified developments. The only certainty right now? This story isn't over. The stakes are high, the allegations are serious, and both sides are preparing for a longer fight. If you're following the human side, it's about safety, accountability, and truth, however the court defines it. If you're following the legal side, it's about statutes, elements of the crimes, and whether the evidence meets the bar for conviction. Either way, the next hearing and the arraignment will set the pace for what comes next. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you want clean, fast updates without the rumor mill, hit subscribe. Drop a comment with the questions you want answered next: charges, timelines, or what dissuading a witness means in plain English, and smash that like so this reaches more viewers who want facts, not noise.